Let's learn the magic of colors. Be ready with the stuff which is shown in the video. Now for the first color contrast, let's take yellow and red. Mix it together and it will turn into a beautiful orange shade. For the next experiment, if you will add white with the both shade, it will turn into skin color and you can call it as a peach shade also. Moving to the next color, take 2 part of white, add 1 part of red and it will turn into baby pink color, which is also known as light pink. Girls personally love the pink color, be it dark or light shade. Comment below about your favorite color. Now this is light pink color, and for the dark pink lovers, if you will add little bit more red in the baby pink color, you will get the dark pink or the Rani shade. For the next experiment, let's add blue and yellow together, and wow, it's totally turned into a very different shade, which is green. That's why I'm calling this as a magic of colors, where you adding two different shade and you are getting entirely different shade out of that. If you also like this, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends too. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more creative updates. For the next color contrast, you will be taking red and blue together. If you will add more of red, then you will get a violet shade as you can show in the card. And if you will add little bit more blue in that, you will be getting the purple tone. Let's experiment it further while adding white color in it. Wow! And this is my personal favorite. The video will be more lengthier if I will tell you all the color contrast in a single video. So that's why I will post the part 2 of it soon. Till that, stay connected and subscribe to Versatile Forte. Bye bye.